In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive in a simple, safe, and beginner-friendly way. This is a great method if you're switching cloud storage platforms, backing up important files, or just want all your documents in one place. And yes, before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open Google Drive in your browser and sign into the Google account that contains the files or folders you want to move. Once you're inside Google Drive, take a moment to locate the exact files you want to transfer. You can move individual files, multiple files, or even a whole folder, depending on what you need. To select your items, click the file, or hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac to select more than one. If you want to transfer a folder, make sure it's the correct one before you continue. After selecting your files, right-click them and choose Download. This is the key step because Google Drive does not directly move your files to OneDrive in one click through the standard web interface, so the safest method is to download them first. Once you click Download, your browser may ask where you want to save the files, or it may automatically send them to your Downloads folder. If you selected multiple files or a folder, Google Drive may compress them into a zip file before downloading. Just wait for the download to finish completely. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this can take a few seconds or several minutes. When the download is done, go to the folder where your files were saved. In most cases, that will be your Downloads folder, but you may also want to move them to your desktop or Documents folder if that makes them easier to find. This step is important because you need to know exactly where the files are before uploading them to OneDrive. Now that your Google Drive files are saved on your computer, open OneDrive in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside the OneDrive web dashboard, look at the top of the page and click the Upload button. After that, you'll usually see two options, Files or Folder. If you only downloaded a few individual items, choose Files. If you downloaded an entire folder and want to keep everything together, choose Folder. Then browse to the location where your Google Drive downloads are stored and select the files or folder you want to upload. After you make your selection, OneDrive will begin uploading your content automatically. At this point, just let the process run and avoid closing the page until everything is finished. If you're uploading larger files, it may take a little longer, so be patient and make sure your internet connection stays stable. Once the upload is complete, your files will now be available in Microsoft OneDrive. You can open them there, organize them into folders, rename them, or share them just like any other OneDrive file. And the best part is that your original files in Google Drive are still safe unless you choose to delete them manually. So this process is really a download and re-upload transfer, which makes it simple, reliable, and easy to follow. If you want to confirm everything worked, open the file from OneDrive after the upload finishes and make sure it opens correctly. That's always a good final check, especially if you transferred important documents, photos, or work files. And that's how you transfer files from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.